Welcome, today I am with Pokemon Unite and I will show you how you can find your lobby ID. So at first you have to click on the United Battle, and then this ID number will appear on the left upper corner. It's right here. So if you want to share lobby ID with your friend and you want to make the quick matchup, you have to go here, share this ID, give it to your friend, and then your friend have to input this ID right here, then click on the OK, and he will join simply to your lobby and you will be able to play match together. So yeah, that's how we can find lobby ID in the Pokemon Unite. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.